What did he say it was? 1,050?
1,010 brake.
1,010 brake horsepower. Look at the engine, man. Look at the engine. That is sweet. Engine catches. I would have popped his bonnet, but it's a bit cheeky. It's got little mirrors. Plastic. No, that's the ones that you'll use. All you can see is my reflection. I wonder if that's methanol.
I don't know, methanol for fuel.
Holy crap. Cool. Look at that shit. Look at that.
Yes, but oh Jesus, wet! I've got to go for that.
Holy shit. Them intakes are bigger than my head.
Jesus. That's stunning, that blue.
Ah, it's lovely that. Nah, that's what I was thinking.
Don't
touch it.
Yeah, careful with next to this bad boy, will it?
That's how big this intake is. It's bigger than my hand.
Right.
Actually, Chris,
my hand is huge.
You've got big hands.
What size is that compared to my hand?
It is big.
I'm not
Chris,
touching it,
Chris, put your head next to it.
Really, I've got kind of fat bun, so.
Go closer. Look, it's bigger than your head.
You've got
a big head, like.
Well, yeah, get 4 minutes.
Look at them turbos. Look at them turbos.
Turbo's bigger than me.
Have a sneaky look inside. That's sequential boxes, the boy. Yeah.
Careful.